Hello, I am here to provide some information on how to collect FBA data. If you are a teacher in a classroom or a special service provider that's going to be helping collect this data. This form is completed for a 1 hour chunk. It can also be utilized if an activity starts and it's only going for 30 minutes, that it can stop there. So with this blank sheet, what we will do is first in the pre-interview process, identify what are the behaviors of concern, and we will fill them in here. So what we might have identified, and we have to edit this by triple clicking, is the different behaviors that we are concerned with. So for here it might be elopement, aggression, and non-compliance. So we will save that, and then we'll be able to print this out and have 10 separate sheets, because we do hope to get at least 10 data points. Now what we would do is then record the date that we are starting, as well as the student's initials, and then the start time of our observations. So when we do that, we will start a stopwatch and begin observing. So this is broken up, and again we would have behaviors 1, 2, and 3, and we would have that all the way down here. So we know that anytime we are recording in behavior 1, we are talking about elopement. Behavior 2 would be aggression, and behavior 3 would be non-compliance for this specific individual. Now, in the first 10 minutes, maybe they are at morning meeting, and we would want to identify how often this is happening by putting tally marks. What is really important is that we would tally effectively, or if a behavior does not occur, we put 0. It is very important to make sure that that 0 is there so that we know it did not in fact happen and it wasn't just a missed data point. We're then recording the intensity. Is it mild, medium, or high? And those definitions are on the top right corner, duration, and any additional notes as needed. So we might have identified that let's see, elopement happened 3 times, aggression happened 0 times, and non-compliance happened 4 times. Now we have moved on, and we are 10 to 20 minutes into our observation, and they have transitioned to math. And we are then going to continue recording how often are these happening and the intensity and or duration. So we might have a non-compliance that it starts with 3 times the child said no, but then they shut down for 20 minutes and refuse to do anything. We might record it that way. The longer we can record it, the better. If we can get a full hour, that is fantastic. If not, we know that we got to 40 minutes, and we will write that end stop time. Again, this is going to be turned into a rate per hour of these different behaviors, and will hopefully be a friendly collection for classroom teachers. Thank you.